and Technology, Part 1, Standard 9, Work and Energy, Part 3. Free fall. Now we're going to see the definition of this word. What is the meaning of free fall? An object moving under the influence of gravitational force only. That's the meaning of free fall. If we release an object from a height, it gets pulled towards the earth because of the gravitational force. An object falling solely under the influence of gravitational force is said to be in free fall or to be falling freely. Let us look at the kinetic and potential energies of an object of mass m falling freely from height h when the object is at a different heights. As shown in the figure, the point A is at a height h from the ground. Let the point be at a distance x vertically below A. Let the point C be on the ground and directly below A and B. Let us calculate the energies of the object of A, B and C. When the object is stationary at A, its initial velocity u equals to 0. The kinetic energy equals to half into mass into velocity square. So half into mv mu square. So u is a 0. It means kinetic energy is 0. Now potential energy, we know the formula mgh. So total energy, that is kinetic energy plus potential energy. So that equals to 0 plus mgh. Total energy, that equals to mgh. That is first part. Second part, let the velocity of the object be a vb when it reaches point B, having fallen through a distance x. U equals to 0, s equals to x, a equals to g. So all the calculation, we get the kinetic energy that equals to mgx. Now height of the object when at B equals to h minus x, PE equals to mg into h minus x. So the energy equals to mgh. So in all three cases we can see the energy which is equals to mgh. So from equation 1, 2 and 3 we see that the total energy of the object is the same as all 3 points. Let's start with next part, power. Power is the rate at which work is done. That is the definition of power. And formula for the power is work upon time. P means power, W means work done, T means time taken. So let's see the units of power. In SI, unit of power is joule per second, or we can say watt. 1 watt equals to 1 joule per second, or 1 kg into meter square upon second cube. In the power is the horsepower, HP. So 1 HP equals to 746 watt. And commercial unit of energy, it is kilowatt per hour. 1 kilowatt per hour is the power consumed when 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. Here you can see the relation between the kilowatt hours and joule. So 1 kilowatt hours equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. So all about, we completed our second chapter, work and energy.